This is the way I like my Javy. Hi, it's Olivia from Kid Stories and More. Today I am making my cup of coffee with Javy with some ingredients that I chose out or picked out. Okay, so let's get started. First I'm going to take my caramel, Hershey's. It's not sponsored, but it's okay. I broke the cap, but it's okay. I think that's enough. Now I'm going to take my ice. Oops. Then I'm going to take the milk. Now I'm going to take 2 teaspoons of my Javy coffee.
What do you like best about Javy?
It's good coffee.
I like it because it's easy to travel with, especially when we go to sports events and we're staying in the hotel. You can just pack it right in your bag. It goes anywhere. Don't have to worry about K-cups and waste. Give it a little stir.
Trying. There we go. Whoops.
That looks good. How is it?
Very good.
I love their mission about sustainability. They the way they farm the coffee and replenish the soil.
So if you want this great coffee, in the description down below, there's a discount code that we're giving you.
20% off. Get it now. You know you're going to want to try it if you haven't already. And it comes in different flavors. We have just the plain original coffee, but I know they have other flavors. You can go on their website. We have a link to it. Should they go?
Yeah.
All right, run. Don't walk.
Bye.